this video, I will show you how to create real estate purchase form. First, you need to click extension, Enquiry form, and download form template. And here you can search your own template, like for example, real estate purchase form, and load form template. And then you will get some tabs like that to edit the letter. Just refresh the page and then click Enquiry form there and get link. And then just click continue. And then choose your account and click advanced like this and go to Enquiry form and just click allow here. And then you will get the link like this. Just copy it all and paste it on your search engine. And now the form is ready to use. But you can also change, custom, or edit the appearance or even the questions too. For example, I want to go to questions tab and insert new row like this. And I use text, for example, and just copy the question and change it into name like this, for example, and go to your form to check it, refresh it first, and it will show like this in the form. It's very easy to use. And for another example, I use phone number and then put the question to like phone number or like this. So you can use question type text area like this. This is usually used for address because it has a larger field than usual text. And then for another example, you can use date because it will show you a calendar, so the audience can pick the date easily from that calendar like this. For example, you can do it by yourself, and you can choose every question type that you need for your question, like for example the radio button, so the audience can pick only one option, like for example like this. It will show like this the form type art, hard, or easy. They can choose one of it. And then for another example, you can also use question type file, so the audience can upload their file here by clicking choose file, so they can upload their file from their device. Also, you can use a signature, so the audience can put their signature there like this, for example, or they can even clear it too, so they can repeat the new signature. And then go back to your Google spreadsheet to delete the row this way. It's very easy if you don't use it anymore, so it will disappear instantly. Also, now go to settings tab to change the appearance of your form. Like for example, first thing I go to background color. You can pick your favorite color or the color that you need. And then for another example, I want to change the button text color. Scroll down into the submit button to check it, and it will change instantly. Also for the logo, you can also change with your own logo, like just copy the link of the logo and put it in the logo ID, and it will change like this. It's very easy to use, but if you have any confusion or question, just comment down below. And then for another one, I want to change the text color like this. It's very easy to change. And the loading message, you can also delete or add the words too, like for example I add the word minute here, and it's very easy. Also in the title, you need to use HTML code, so it will be easier with htmlonline.com like this. You can just follow the step, you can follow to open this website, and then you can just type the title of your form, like real estate purchase form like this. You can even add the style like alignment, bold, italic, underline, and then you can also use the format and change the color too. After you fix with your form, just copy the code of the HTML and then paste it into the form title and check it in your form, and it will change instantly like this. It's very easy to use. And then for the last one, go to responses tabs to see the result of your audience answer. Like for example, here you as an audience, so just fill every question there, like fill every question in the form to see the result, for example. So you just need to fill purchase price and then deposit, or another question like the date too, and then agreement show, and then another one, and just complete every question there to see the result. This is just for an example. And then you should put the buyer's name and then your signature, and then seller's name, or you can clear the signature. You can repeat it with the new one or the correct one, and then input the seller's name like this, and then for example this is the signature for the, and then click submit, and it will show you a thank you response like this. And go to your responses tab to see the result, and it will show like this in the form. And then if you have any question, just comment down below, and the link to add-on is in the description below. If you want to try it now, just try it now.